Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is the last video of the year. This is my New Year's makeup glam and I absolutely love the way it looks. I wanted something super like glam and sparkly and just pink gold, so like a rose gold, and that's what I went for, and also a nice pink juicy lip and these beautiful lashes, of course, and I'm just totally obsessed, and I love the little highlight here that we have going on. Looks really beautiful. Overall, I love the look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and what products I used, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump right in. As you can see, I have my brows already filled in. My eyes are prepped and ready. So for today's eyeshadow palette, I am going to be going in with the Anastasia and Amrezy collab palette. I haven't used this palette in a little bit. It is so dirty, but this is what it looks like. If you own this palette, grab it and follow along, of course, because I'm going to be creating something super glam for New Year's. And I have like an idea of what I want to do. I kind of want to go in with Liddy because it has a little bit of a pinky gold, so kind of like a rose gold look. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So like I said, I have my eyes prepped and ready. I am going to be grabbing a MAC 224 brush and going in with these two brown shades here, New Yorker and OG. Going in, I'm just going to be applying that right into the crease, back and forth. Now I'm going to be switching brushes. I'm going to be grabbing the Sigma Blending E40 brush. It's a tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to blend these two shades and just soften them up. Now I'm going to be grabbing my Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45 brush. And I'm going to be going in to 1988. And with this shade, I am going to be using it to define the crease. So we're going to go in, and I like using this brush because it's super tapered and it's pointy. So it's going to easily stick right into your crease. So you can go right in and go back and forth in windshield wiper motion as well. Just keeping it right into the crease, not trying to bring it high, just keep it right in that crease. Going back in with that Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush, I am just going to be softening it up again so it doesn't look super harsh, and just blending all of these shades together. Alright, so now that we define the crease, I am going to be switching brushes and going in with some concealer just to cut the crease a little bit. This is the ColourPop E3, and going in with a little bit of concealer, I am going to be cutting the crease, like I said. Alright, so now that I'm done cutting my crease, I am going to be grabbing this brush right here. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH41 brush. And I'm going to be grabbing Dragon first. I'm going to use this as the base. And then on top of that, I am going to be going in with Liddy. So going in with this shade first, I'm going to very gently apply this all over the lid. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to be grabbing my NYX Glitter Primer, which looks like this. I am going to be applying this a little bit on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to be grabbing this MAC 242 brush and just grabbing some of the glitter glue. And the reason why I'm using a little bit of this is because the shade Liddy is a pressed glitter. And I want to make sure that that sticks right onto the lid and there isn't that much fallout. So I am going to be grabbing Liddy. And as you can see, it's holding the pressed glitter. And now I'm just going to apply that right on top. And I'm not going to swipe it. I'm just going to pack it on. You guys, this is looking so beautiful. Look at that. I just absolutely love it. I should have went in with eyeliner before, but I am going to be applying some liquid liner. This one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner. Alright, so now that I'm done with my liquid liner, I am going to be going in with the Eyelook Luxe XL Faux Mink Lashes. They're not in the box. I actually have them out already. They look like that. They're a little messy looking because I've used them so much, but they still look really good. So I'm going to apply these off camera, and then I'll be back to continue on with the rest of the look. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on. I absolutely love the way they look. I just love using these lashes for looks like this. So now we're going to be moving on to face primer, going in with the Fenty Beauty. This is the Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I am going to be applying a little bit of this all over before I go in with foundation. For foundation, I am going to be going in with this one right here from Zoeva. This is the Natural Luminous Foundation, and mine is in the shade 190 Generous. I am going to be grabbing a e.l.f. sponge. It's damp, and just applying 2 pumps to start and going in and blending that out. For concealer, I am going to be going in with my Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer, and mine is in the shade number 6.5. I am going to be applying this underneath the eye. To blend that out, I am going to be going in again with my e.l.f. sponge. Now to cream bronze, I am going to be grabbing my Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and this one's in the shade F13. I am going to be applying this in around the outer perimeter of the face. Now to blend this out, I am going to be grabbing a Sephora brush. This one is a Pro Small Stippling brush, the number 42. And I'm just going to blend out everything. To finish off the blending, I am going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with my RCMA powder, and I am going to go in and set my under eye as well as the outer underneath the bronzer. So going in with a sponge, I am going to apply it just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing my Kat Von D double-sided brush, and I am just going to trace, like just press the powder on my skin and also blend it off at the same time. You see? And that's just going to set everything in place. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the under eye. I usually dab it like that. I press it in. For bronzer, I am going to be going in with my Becca, Chloe, and Malika palette. I absolutely love this. I haven't used this in a while either, but I love the bronzer in here. It's so, so good. So I'm going to be grabbing, again, my Kat Von D brush. I'm going to go in with the angled side of the brush. And I am going to apply that right here where I applied the bronzer, the cream bronzer. And I'm also going to be applying it all over on the outer perimeter where I applied the cream bronzer. Moving into blush, I am going to be going in with my Vanilla Peach Truffle palette from BH Cosmetics. And I am going to be mixing these two blushes, this coral one here and this pink one here. So grabbing a BH Cosmetics brush, I am mixing those two shades together, and then I'm just going to smile and apply these on the cheeks. For highlighter, I am going to be grabbing my Milani All Over Blending Brush, and I'm also going to be going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, which is this one here in the shade Molten Gold. Absolutely love this highlighter, and it's going to look beautiful with the eyes. So I'm just going to apply that right here on the high points. Alright, so moving right back into the eyes, I am going to be grabbing this double-sided brush from Urban Decay and going in with New Yorker and OG. And going in with that brush, I am just blending it on the lower lash line. And you guys know I love a little bit of a pop on the inner corner, so I'm going to be grabbing this Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush and grabbing Anastasia, which is this shade here, and applying that right on the inner corner here, just for a little bit of pop. And I'm also going to add a little bit of barb. I feel like this is going to make it stand out just a little bit more. Now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of black eyeliner and applying that on the waterline. Alright, so now for lips, I am going to be going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil, and this one's in the shade Rush. For lipstick, I am going to be going in with MAC Myrrh, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice, pretty mauve-y pink, and it's going to look really beautiful with the eyes, so we're going to apply that. And now to finish off the lips, I am going to be going in with a gloss. Since it's New Year's, I want a nice, juicy, glossy lip, so I'm going to be going in with this one from Maybelline, and I absolutely love these glosses. This one's in the shade Silk. To finish off the look, I am going to be going in with my Morphe Setting Mist, and that is it. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys decide to recreate this look for your New Year's. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys next year. Love you. Bye.